Okay, we're looking at highest common factor, lowest common multiple, and I will do it using prime factors because we might as well. It's the most efficient way of doing it. I'll also talk about how you can do it without that, but there you go. Now, prime factors you should know about. You should know about prime numbers. So just divide by anything you like, but ultimately we keep dividing until what we get at the bottom of the trees, okay, or the branches I should say, are just prime numbers. So 48, I'm going to divide 6 times 8. There you go. Now then, 6 will split up into 2 times 3. So there you go. All right, and 8 will split up into 2 times 4. Notice I'm circling all the prime numbers. 2 times 2. Now it says a product of prime factors. Now product in maths means multiply, and so what we do, we've got 2, 2, 2, and 2. Now you can do that as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Oops. That's fine. Times 3. There's your product. That's fine. Some of you may want to do it using indices as well. So either of those is perfectly acceptable. If it mentions using indices, you have to do it doing that. All right. Now then, it says find the HCF and LCM of 48 and 32. Now, notice I have already done 48. So I'm going to do the same thing, but with 32 now. Okay, so 32 is... what's that? 8 times 4, 4 times 8, 2, 2, circle, circle, they're prime. Okay, 2 and 4, circle, 2 and 2. Look at that, it's 2 to the power 5, or 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, now then, I'm now going to, and I'm going to change colour again, I'll go to green. I'm now going to draw a Venn diagram, okay, where this is 48 and this is 32. Now all the factors that match up, okay, that I can pair off as it were, and I'll do this using another different colour, okay, go in the middle, all the ones that are left over go on the outside. So here we go, so we go 2 will pair off with a 2, so that can go in there. 2 will pair off with another 2 in there, 2 with another 2 in there, 2 with another 2 in there, and nothing else will pair off, so I'm left with a 3 here, that 3 there, and a 2 here. Okay, so that's how I do the Venn diagram. Now the highest common factor are the bits in the middle, so where am I going to put this? I've run out of space. Highest common factor is going to be the bits in the middle because they're common to both. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 16. Right, and I just better change colour again. Right, and the lowest common multiple, I multiply all the numbers I can see. So 3 times 2, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 3 times 2, that 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Alright, so ultimately I get 48 times 2, which is 96. Okay, now you can do it a different way. With the highest common factors, alright, you could just see, well, I know that what times table 48 and 13 are both in, 48 and 32 are both in, and 16 is the highest one, but that kind of relies quite heavily on you remembering all the factors. Lowest common multiple, you can just list out the 48 times table and the 32 times table, and 96 will be the first one that appears. All right, but you can use the prime factors as well. All right.